Although this is a demonstration of our desktop application, RaQubo. The purpose of this video is to showcase some new functionality in our app, which requires two new OAuth2 scopes. Now, our app has already been verified for the gmail.modify scope, and our aim in this video is to be verified for two more scopes, for Google Drive and Google Spreadsheets. Now, RaQubo is a desktop automation app, and recently we've added functionality to automate Google Spreadsheets on behalf of our users using their Google accounts. And since this requires or involves creating spreadsheets on their Google Drive and editing spreadsheets, we require both the Drive scope and the Spreadsheet scope. So in this video, we'll showcase the reason why those scopes are necessary by demonstrating how to create spreadsheets, edit spreadsheets, and finally delete spreadsheets with our app. So I'd like to begin with the authentication flow. To start off, the user will navigate to the top right-hand main menu and click OAuth2 Management, where the user can specify which service that they want to allow our application to automate on their behalf. The user will type in their account and click Authorize App. Now this will boot up the browser and prompt the user to log in. Here in the URL, we can see the client ID, and we'll go ahead and log in. Now in this page, the user can check that those are indeed the permissions that they want to grant our application. In this case, this is Google Drives and Google Spreadsheets. And after checking the privacy policy in terms of service, they can go ahead and click Continue. And that is it for the authentication flow. Now our application is ready to edit and create Google Spreadsheets on behalf of the user. So now we will demonstrate how our app actually uses those permissions to do things for our users. And we will start off by creating a new automation task, and we will call this task Demo Spreadsheet Task. Now here's the editor page for this new task, and we will begin by creating a new spreadsheet on behalf of our user. And we will do that by navigating to Google Spreadsheets and click Create. Now this is the command to create Google Spreadsheets. Here the user can type in the account that they want to use to create a Google Spreadsheet, and we will specify the Google Spreadsheet name, and we will call this Demo Spreadsheet, and click OK. And this spreadsheet ID is the name of the variable we will use to reference this newly created spreadsheet. So now we will go ahead and run. And we will check that this new spreadsheet has indeed been created. And we will do that by going to drive.google.com, and here is the new spreadsheet that we have created. It is called Demo Spreadsheet, as we have specified. And so that was a demonstration for how to create Google Spreadsheets using your application. Next, we will demonstrate how to set a cell value of the spreadsheet that we have just created. Now, in order to set a cell value, first we have to specify which spreadsheet that we want to edit, and we will do that by using the load spreadsheet command. Here the user can type in the account of the spreadsheet and specify the URL of the spreadsheet that they want to edit. So we will copy and paste the URL, and here's the spreadsheet ID that we use to reference this loaded spreadsheet, and the user will press OK. In the set set spreadsheet cell values command, we will specify the spreadsheet ID. Next, we have to specify the worksheet name that we want to set the cell value in. So we will go back to the browser. Let's rename this worksheet worksheet 1. And in our application, we will specify that we want to edit worksheet 1. Let's change the value of the cell A1 and type in set the cell value to hello. So now if I run this, what our app would do is load the specified Google spreadsheet and set the A1 cell of worksheet 1. So now I'll go ahead and try this by pressing run. Right, and now we have just seen that that's exactly what happened. Here in worksheet 1, in the A1 cell, the value hello has been set. So that was the demonstration for how to set a cell value with our application. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to delete a spreadsheet by clicking the delete spreadsheet command. And the steps are more or less the same. The URL is the same. This is the URL of the spreadsheet that we want to delete, and I'll press OK. Now, if I press run, this spreadsheet should now be deleted. Right? So if I refresh the Google Drive page, we can see that the spreadsheet has indeed been deleted, and this page is no longer valid. Right. So here we can see the rest of the commands that our application can do to edit and deal with Google Spreadsheets. And that concludes our demonstration for the new functionality that we have with our app, which uses the new scopes, Google Drive and Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching.